Welcome kids. Today we are going to learn English grammar. Here we will see module 9. In this module we will learn word dictation, then alphabetical order, then position words in the grammar section, and after that describe a photo. It's a writing section. Okay, so look here. Here is first section, word dictation. In the chart we can see here some words, so you have to write these words in your grammar book. First word is traffic, TRAFFIC, traffic. Then second word is cross, CROSS, cross. Third is road, ROAD, road. Then fourth word is pond, POND, pond. Fifth word is basket, BASKET, basket. Sixth word is pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon. Seventh word is hunter, HUNTER, hunter. Then eighth word is scream, SCREAM, scream. Okay, so these are words you have to write in your grammar book. Next is exercise number 2.1. Here is vocabulary section and we will see the alphabetical order. Okay, in the alphabetical order the letter A and finishes with the letter Z. This is alphabets. Okay, alphabet starts with the letter A and finishes with letter Z. So we always write the letters of the alphabet in the same order. Okay, so this order is called alphabetical order. So this order called alphabetical order. So have you ever seen your names in the teacher's attendance register? In this register your teacher also write these names in alphabetical order. Okay, so it is easy to find the names written in the alphabetical order. So teacher can easily find your name in the muster. So teacher writes alphabetically. Okay, so here are some words. First is milk, then cabbage, then grapes, onion, dal, banana. So here rewrite these words in alphabetical order. Okay, so first we can see that which first letters in these words. Okay, so here M, C, G, O, D and B. Okay, M, C, G, O, D, B. So we can see these letters, and in the alphabets which letter comes first out of these? Can you tell me? B. So here we can see banana word. Okay, and the remaining are D, O, G, C, M. So out of these letters C R come first in the alphabets. So write cabbage. Okay, after that remaining letters are M, C, G, D. Sorry, M, G, O, D. So M, G, O, D, in this letter D come first in alphabets. Okay, so write dal. Now only 3 letters remaining, M, G, O. So M, G, O, in these letters G comes first in alphabets, right? Grapes. After that M and O are remaining. So M is come first, then O in the alphabet order. So write milk. Okay, and after that O, so write onion. So we should write these words in alphabetical order. So banana, cabbage, dal, grapes, milk, onion. So we write these words alphabetically. Okay. So now here exercise number 2.2. Read the words in each group. Number the words 1, 2, 3 and so on to put them in alphabetical order. One is done for you. Now here colors, animals, vehicles and things. So we will give the numbers alphabetically to these words. Okay, so first here they give example to us. Red, blue, yellow, orange. Okay, so B comes first in alphabets out of these words. So blue. Then O comes, so orange. Then R comes, so red. And then Y comes, so yellow. So here is 3, 1, 4, 2. Like that, here lion, wolf, zebra and giraffes. So L, W, Z and giraffe. So first letter of these words. So in these letters, G comes first in the alphabet. So write 1 here. Then L comes first out of these 3 letters. So write 2 here. And remaining 2 are W and Z. So out of these 2 letters, W comes first in alphabet. So write 3 here. And then Z comes last. So write 4 here. Okay. Now we will see the vehicles. Here are car, train, plane and van. So first letter of these words C, T, P and V. So C, T, P, V, in these 4 letters, C comes first in the alphabets. So write 1. Then P comes out of these 3 letters. So write 2. Now remaining 2 T and V. 2 letters are here. So out of these 2 letters, T comes first. So write 3 number. And then last V. So write 4 here. Okay. Now we will see things. Hat, fan, pencil and there is mat. Okay. So here are first letter of the hat is H. Then F for fan, P for pencil and M for mat. Now in the alphabets we can see that out of these 4 letters F comes first. So write 1. Then H comes. So write 2. Then comes M. So write 3 for mat. And comes pencil for P. So write 4 for pencil. Okay. Means we began the list with the word that starts with the letter, that specific first letter of these words. Okay. And so give the number depend on these letters. Okay. So this is the alphabetical order. Now we will see the grammar section. Here are position words. What is position words? Position words means the words which shows the position of this specific thing. Okay. We can also call them prepositions. These words help in connecting two naming words. They tells us positions of the naming words. Okay. So we will see that what is position words. This word tells us where something or someone is. Okay. Now we will see that. Here the cat is in the box. Now look here, the cat is in the box. So in, it's a position word because it shows the position of cat. So this is position word. Okay. It shows that where is the cat? In the box. So in, it's position word. Now it is on the box. The cat is on the box. Where is? On the box. So on, it's a position word. The cat is under the box. Where is cat? Under the box. So under is also position word. Now it is beside the box. Where is cat? Beside the box. So beside, it's also position word. Okay. And the cat is between the boxes. So between is also position word, because these words tells us where is the cat. In, on, under, beside, between, these words shows where is the cat. Okay, so these are position words. Okay, now we will see exercise number 3.1. Underline the position words in the given sentences. One is done for you. Okay, now we will see that which are position words and then we underline it. Look here. The cat is sitting on the chair. Look in this picture. The cat is sitting on the chair. Where? On the chair. So on is position word. So here is underline to on. Okay. Now second. Sumit stands besides Anjali. Why here beside underline? Because in this picture we can see that Sumit is stands beside Anjali. Where is Sumit? Beside Anjali, means beside is position word. It shows where is Sumit. Okay, so this is position word. Now third is the ball is between the boxes. Now the position of the ball, where is? Between the boxes. So between word underlined. Okay, because it shows the place of ball. Now fourth, the owl is under the box. So look it here. The owl is under the box. Where is owl? Under the box. So underline the under word. Okay. Now fifth sentence, the book is between the chairs. Look here in this picture we can see that book is here and chairs are here. So the book is between the chair. When we ask the question, where is book? That time we get answer between the chair. So between is position word. Now sixth sentence. The pencils are in the pencil stand. Where are pencils? In the pencil stand. So in is a position word. So you should underline these position words and solve this exercise. Now look here, exercise number 3.2. Where are the animals? One is done for you. Now we will see the pictures and then solve it. So look here. One is done for us. The cat is under the tree. Look here, we can see here cat. Here is a tree and the cat is sitting under the tree. Okay. Now second, the hen is sitting dash dash the nest. So look here, where is the hen? In the nest. So write in. Okay. Now third, the horse is dash dash the house and the tree. So what is here? Between. You have to write here between word, because this word shows the position or place of this horse. So write between. दोनों के बीच में है वो. So write between. Then next, the elephant is sitting dash dash the chair. So what is here? You can see a chair and the elephant is here. So write beside. Chair के side में है ना. So write beside here. B-E-S-I-D-E. Beside the chair. Okay. Now we can see that The mouse is dash dash the bed. Where is? The mouse is on the bed. So write on here. Then the fish is dash dash the bowl. Where is fish? In the bowl. So write in. Okay. So look here. Today we have learnt alphabetical order, then position word. Okay. And the place of the specific things, means these are also position words. So your homework is fill this module 9 in your grammar book and solve exercise of page number 44 and 46. Okay, this is your homework. So thank you. Bye.